6 things you can recycle to make money and save the planet. It has become excessively apparent in the last decade or so that global warming is an ever-worsening phenomenon. Due to this alarming reality, there has been widespread call for awareness and acknowledgement. Everyone is also asked to make changes in their lifestyle to reduce their carbon footprint. Overall, we need to make efforts to help lessen waste production and promote recycling. But did you know that recycling is not just good for the environment, but can also make you some extra cash? Today, we'll talk about the 6 things you can recycle and make cash from, save the planet, and earn money. Hi, welcome to RCE Finance Guide, where we'll be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. We will upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 4 to 5 times per week. If you have any feedback or comments about the topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated on all of our latest videos. If you have any further questions, you can comment in them while I work. When we think about recycling, we might generally think about trash. But did you know that there are other things you can recycle aside from just your typical garbage? These are the things that you can recycle to save planet Earth and earn a little bit from. Without further ado, here we go. Number 1. Trash. First on the list is your day-to-day trash. This is no longer news to us, as it is already a well-known fact that we can and should sort our recyclables and dispose of them properly. But did you know that there is a company called TerraCycle that will pay for your trash? This program works best for schools, small businesses, and nonprofits that collects a lot of trash. The company will donate money to your cause for every piece of trash you send the organization. According to its website, the company will take everything from empty Scotch tape rolls to energy bar wrappers. TerraCycle will even pay for the shipping. If you have a cause for a school program that's in need of some extra money, this could be a great way to save funds. Number 2. Wine corks. Second on the list is perfect for wine lovers out there. Whether you are the type who takes a nightly sip of wine or throws a lot of fancy parties, this is the opportunity for you. The cork, which is just basically lid on your wine bottle, can be recycled, and you can be paid to do it. Recycling wine corks wouldn't make you rich, but it could definitely pay for a free bottle of wine. There are a couple of places to make money on wine corks. The first source is eBay. Some very peculiar products are for sale on eBay, including corks. Craft makers, manufacturers, and other businesses use old corks and are willing to pay for them. The price isn't much, usually around 5 cents per cork. Most prefer to purchase corks in bulk, meaning they want a box of several hundred. Number 3. Gift cards. A common gift we received on birthdays are gift cards. However, most of the time we never get to use them. If you happen to have some unused gift cards that you may not need, consider trading them. There are companies like Card Cash that will take your unused gift cards in exchange for cash, which can be spent anywhere. While the amount you get will be less than the face value of the card, it's more than it's getting the sitting in a drawer. How much money you get depends on the value of card. A $100 card for Shell gas stations will sell for $85 as of October of 2021, but a $100 GameStop card will only fetch $74. The steepest markdowns come from companies that are comparatively less well known. At Spencer's, a $100 gift card will only trade for $58.03. Alternatively, did you know that gift cards, gas cards, grocery store saving cards, even student ID cards and driver's license are all made from the PVC? PVC is a recyclable plastic. If you have used or expired cards, you can at least bundle them up and recycle them. Recycling companies like Earthworks Systems will find a use for them or repurpose the materials. So far, we have talked about the 3 things that you can recycle to help save Earth and earn a bit of extra cash. Which of them do you have lying around the house and you can start recycling? Tell us in the comments section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Number 4. Cooking oil. 4th item that you can recycle and earn money from is cooking oil. Many recycling centers, biodiesel firms, and small businesses pay for used cooking oil. Winter is usually the prime time for getting cash for oil because it can be used in home heating systems. Several cities in the UK will trade used cooking oil for bus passes, movie tickets, and cash. US cities are beginning to do this as well, but it is a fairly new practice, and you will have to find places locally via the newspaper or the internet. Number 5. Tennis balls. 5th on the list are tennis balls. Did you know that 325 million tennis balls are manufactured every year? Unfortunately, they are made with rubbers that is not biodegradable. That creates more than 20,000 metric tons of rubber waste a year. On a positive note, a small company called Repurposing has come up with a solution. They have created a machine that rebounces or renew old tennis balls and will pay the shipping for donated balls. Repurposing has specific requirements for the tennis balls they will take. They can be missing felt or have been wet, for instance, but there is no minimum for the number of balls that they accept. Although this probably isn't an option for the average person. If you belong to a tennis club or your kids are on a tennis team, you might consider it. Keeping that much rubber out of the landfill is a winning proposition. Last but definitely not the least on this list is hair. There is a lucrative market for human hair. Rates for unbleached natural hair can range from $500 to well over $2,000, depending on the shade, length, and condition. Hair extension companies, wig makers, and even heirloom hair weavers pay for hair. Several companies such as buyandSellHair.com and Hair Salon have created an online marketplace for hair, matching buyers and sellers of human hair in exchange for a share of the purchase price. You can even find buyers on eBay and Craigslist. Before you cut it off, do your research and make certain you are dealing with a reputable business. There are lots of fraudulent buyers out there. There you have it. We have covered 6 things you can recycle to help save planet and make extra cash on the side. Which of the 6 are you most likely to recycle? Are there any used things that you're able to recycle and make profit from? Share your experiences and stories in the comment section below. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Also, click the notification icon so you can be notified when we release our next video. Tune in again next time.